In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track sales KPIs in Monday.com. To get started, log into your Monday.com account and make sure your sales pipeline is already set up properly. This is important because your dashboard will rely on the data inside that board. Your pipeline should include stages like new lead, qualified, discovery, demo, proposal, negotiation, contract sent, won, and lost. You should also have the key columns in place, such as deal name, company, sales rep, status, deal value, expected close date, probability, lead source, and industry. Having a clean pipeline structure makes your KPI tracking much more accurate and useful. Once your board is ready, click the plus icon to create something new. Then choose Dashboard. Rename it to Sales KPI Dashboard so it's easy to identify later, and then click Create Dashboard. Next, connect your boards. This feature allows the dashboard to pull live data directly from your working board, so any updates made in the sales pipeline can automatically reflect in your KPI widgets. Select your sales pipeline board and click Done. Now it's time to start building your visuals. Click Add Widget, then choose Chart. This first chart will help track win rate by showing your won and lost deals. After the chart appears, open the three-dot menu and select Settings. Choose a chart type, and for this example, use a pie chart. A pie chart is a simple way to compare portions of a whole, so it works well for won versus lost outcomes. Set the labels, then select Deal Value. This tells the chart what data to measure, so instead of only counting deals, you can also understand their value. After that, add a filter. Select Sales Pipeline, then choose the stage field. Set the filter to include won and lost, then save the filters. This keeps the chart focused only on completed outcomes, which is exactly what you need for a win rate view. Next, add another widget and choose Chart again. Rename this one to Monthly Revenue. Naming widgets clearly helps keep your dashboard organized, especially once you start adding more KPI views. For this second chart, add a filter, select Sales Pipeline again, and choose Deal Value. Set the condition to is not empty, then save the filters. This ensures the chart only includes deals with actual revenue data, which makes your monthly reporting more meaningful and avoids blanks affecting the results. Once that's done, you can continue tracking other KPIs like average deal size, forecast revenue, sales by representative, conversion rate, or overall sales activity using the same method. The process stays consistent. Add a widget, choose a chart, define the right data source, and apply filters that match the KPI you want to monitor. That's how to track sales KPIs in Monday.com. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.